Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today this video is about Microsoft's Windows 11 Insider Preview build 23424, which is released to the dev channel. Starting with this build, and talking about what's new in build, firstly we have evolved Widget support. Microsoft is beginning to preview a revamp of the Widget support experience, with a larger canvas, 3 columns if supported by the device, and new zones, to provide users quick access to glanceable widgets from their apps and services, as well as enable users to take a high-value break with their personalized feed. Next to that, we have Content Adaptive Brightness Control, CABC, on plugged-in devices including desktop PCs. Content Adaptive Brightness Control, CABC, is already a feature that users are familiar with. This feature in Windows 11 will dim or brighten areas of a display or monitor based on the content being displayed, with the goal of striking a balance between reduced power consumption with visual experience to save battery life. Starting with this build, Microsoft is allowing this feature to run on devices such as laptops and 2-inch ones that are plugged into a charger, as well as on desktop PCs. For most users, this change won't be noticeable and should reduce energy consumption. Moving forward, and talking about changes and improvements, for input, made a change to help improve performance when using a high-polling mouse while gaming. For the Settings app, Windows Insiders can help preview a new experience Microsoft is working on. Insiders will begin to see a new toggle under Settings, Windows Update, for getting the latest updates as soon as they are available. This new toggle is meant to be used in the beta channel to allow insiders to switch more seamlessly to the enablement package. But because the dev channel does not use an enablement package, turning this toggle on will not do anything for insiders in the dev channel. However, by turning it on, a Windows configuration update will be offered via Windows Update, which is designed to help make sure this new toggle is connected to Microsoft's backend services correctly, before making it available in the beta channel. This update introduces nothing new for insiders. Also, improve the performance of search within Settings, and now, the Settings page for wheel devices, such as the Surface Dial, has been updated to better match the Windows 11 design principles. These were some of the changes and improvements made to this build. Now talking about the fixes, in general, fixed an issue that was causing voice access to take some time to turn on after using the Wake Up command. For File Explorer, fixed the issue causing an error dialog to pop up when clicking on the Open File Location command. Also fixed the issue causing no action to occur when clicking on the Remove from List command. For input, made a change to help improve performance when using a high report rate mouse while gaming. For windowing, fixed an issue from the last flight where Microsoft Edge tabs would show when doing Alt+Tab even if Settings, System, Multitasking was set to Don't Show tabs. Lastly, for Task Manager, fixed an issue where the search icon could end up overlapping the Task Manager icon in the title bar. So, that was all from Microsoft for this build. If you want to know more, follow the link to the official Microsoft blog from the description. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.